In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Walmart app on your laptop or PC. Whether you're using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, I've got you covered in this straightforward guide. To start, open up your preferred web browser. You'll want to use either Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge because they make the installation process smooth and hassle-free. Head to the Walmart website by typing in www.walmart.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Once you're there, you should see the familiar Walmart homepage with all the latest deals and categories that you can shop from. Now let's tackle this process in Google Chrome first. At the top right corner of the Chrome window, you'll see three vertical dots. This is your menu button. Give that a click. A drop-down menu should appear, offering you various tools and options. What we're interested in here is the More Tools section. Hover over that with your mouse, and you'll notice another menu popping up. From here, click on Create Shortcut. This option will allow you to set up a link directly on your desktop. A little window should pop up asking for some input. You'll see a checkbox that says Open as Window. Go ahead and check that box. This ensures that whenever you click the shortcut, Walmart will open in a dedicated window, giving it an app-like feel. After that, simply hit Create. Let's pivot to Microsoft Edge. If you're an Edge user, the process is equally simple. Once again, you'll be looking for a menu button on the top right. It's represented by three horizontal dots. Click those dots to reveal the menu. In this menu, look for the Apps option. Click on that, and you should see an option that says Install this site as an app. Click on it, and just like that, the Walmart website will become available as a standalone app on your computer. This method behaves very similarly to Chrome, providing you with a quick way to access Walmart in its own window. And there you have it, a convenient and fast way to add the Walmart app to your laptop or PC. No need to search for it every time you want to shop. Just click the icon on your desktop and start browsing those endless aisles online. Remember, these shortcuts essentially make the Walmart website function as an app, giving you a seamless experience comparable to using a native application on your device. If you ever want to remove it, simply delete the shortcut or uninstall it like you would with any app, depending on your browser's options. I hope this guide was helpful. Enjoy shopping with ease using your new Walmart desktop app.